Hello everyone. Here we can see question number 3. Check that the ratio Ke square by G into MeMp, that is mass of the electron and mass of the proton, is dimensionless. Look up a table of physical constants and determine the value of this ratio. What does the ratio signify? What does the ratio signify? Okay, first we can see here, we can prove this one dimensionless. After that we can calculate the ratio value. Then finally we can see the significance here. So first of all, I am taking here the ratio. What they given, the ratio I am taking, that is nothing but here they given K into E square by capital G into mass of the electron into mass of the proton. Now we know that K is the proportionality constant in Coulomb's law. I am writing here F is equal to K into Q1 Q2 by R square. Now we can separate K here, we can get F into R square by Q is nothing but charge only, Q1 Q2 we can able to take Q square. Then we will get Newton meter square. Charge unit is Coulomb, so we can get Coulomb square. So here K units is Newton meter square per Coulomb square. So I am writing here Newton meter square whole by Coulomb square into, here E is the charge of the electron or proton, so we can take that units is Coulomb square whole by. Now come to the second one. Here G is the universal gravitational constant. That formulas I am going to show here. F equals to G into m1 m2 by r square. Then if you separate G here, we can get F into R square by M1 into M2. So we can write Newton meter square whole by, this M1 and M2 are the masses. So we can get units here kilogram square. So I'm going to write here Newton meter square by kilogram square into, here mass of the electron and mass of the proton is there. So both are mass values only. So we can able to write kilograms square again. So if we check here clearly, Coulomb square and Coulomb square we can cancel. Kilogram square you can cancel. Then we can cancel Newton meter square. So here we are getting no units. For this, no units. If there is no units, we can write no dimensions. There is no dimensions. So now it is dimensionless. The ratio is, here we can write it is dimensionless. Okay, next we can see in this, we have to get the ratio value. Okay, by taking that all values, putting that all values, we have to get the value of this ratio. So how to calculate, we can see. We know the all values. Here I am not providing any table, but we know that everyone knows that values. Here K value, that is 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into, here charge of the electron and charge of the proton both are same only. So we can able to take 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 whole square is there. So in denominator, we can get capital G. The value is universal gravitational constant value is 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 into mass of the electron 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 into mass of the proton, approximately we can take 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 27. These are the values I substituted here. If you simplify here, this all values approximate I am taking, approximate values I am taking here. If you see here 9.1 is there, approximate 9 is there, I am going to cancel these two. Like that, here 1.6 is there, here also 1.67 is there. So here we can get 1.6 1.6 I am cancelling. Here we can get one more 1.6 also. So I am writing again here what are the terms is there in, what are the values is there in the numerator. I am going to write, that is you can see 1.6 into 10 to the power of 9 into 10 to the power of minus 19 into 10 to the power of minus 19. It is in numerator. If we take in denominator, sorry, we can get 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 into 10 to the power of minus 31 into 10 to the power of minus 27. Now I am going to simplify this one. If you simplify here, 10 to the in numerator, first you have to simplify. We can get 10 to the power of 9. I am going to cancel here 9. So it can be minus 10. Already it is minus 19 is there. Here minus 10 minus 19. It can be minus 29. Yes or no? Here minus 29. In numerator 10 to the power of minus 29 is there. Denominator 10 to the power of minus 27 is there. So I am cancelling 27. It can be 10 to the power of minus 2 will be there. Again this 10 to the power minus 20 minus 2. If we check in denominator 10 to the power minus 11 minus 31. It is nothing but minus 42. So 1, 2 and one more 2 I am cancelling here. Here denominator we are getting 10 to the power minus 40. So I am simplifying final value 1.6 by 6.67 into denominator 10 to the power minus 40 is there. I am going to write into numerator. It can be 10 to the power of 40. So we will get here 1.6 by 6.67. If we simplify this one, if you do division here, approximately we can get 0.23 into 10 to the power of 40. This is the ratio value. Clear? Now one more is there. They are asking what does the ratio signify. It is nothing but it is the between, okay, it is the ratio between mass of the electron and mass of the proton. That means electron and proton. So okay, the significance is ratio of electron and proton. Electron and proton. Thank you.